Gmail not receiving email issue. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have an updated version of Gmail application. So here you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Gmail application. So we're going to go back and then simply launch the settings application on our device. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Then tap on manage apps and then search for Gmail application on the search bar. So as you search for Gmail over here, tap on it and then scroll down to tap on the clear data option. So just tap on clear data and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. Now go back and also tap or launch the Gmail application. Make sure you have enough storage, because when you do not have enough storage, then you don't receive any sort of emails as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.